Hi everyone, and welcome to the Fat Graft Procedures Risks and Complications page. I'm Dr. Colin Hong, a plastic surgeon here in Toronto, and I'd like to help you understand the important considerations involved in this procedure before making your decision. Fat transfer, also known as fat grafting or fat injection, can enhance areas like the face, breasts, or body using your own fat. Many patients appreciate the natural look and feel this technique provides. However, like all procedures, there are important risks and limitations to be aware of. These may include partial loss of the transferred fat over time, firmness, lumpiness, or fat necrosis, dead fat tissue, asymmetry or uneven contour, tissue loss, which could require surgical correction, changes in appearance due to aging or weight fluctuation. For breast fat grafting, difficulty interpreting mammograms or needing additional imaging, rare but serious risks like fat embolism, stroke, infection, or vision loss. As with any surgery, there are also general risks including infection, bleeding or fluid buildup, seroma, scarring, changes in skin sensation, or delayed healing. Pulmonary or cardiac complications, especially with general anesthesia, unsatisfactory results, possibly requiring additional procedures. Please take time to read through this page carefully and also review the informed consent document for full details. If you have any questions or concerns, I encourage you to speak with me or my experienced staff. We're here to help ensure you feel fully informed, supported, and confident in your decision.